Happy Wednesday, my 5th grade algebra students. We are going to start like we have been the last couple of days. We're going to do a few spiral review questions working on our integers. Then we're going to be working on writing fractions as a whole number, or writing a decimal as a whole number and a fraction, and vice versa. So we did fractions and decimals here. We're going to do whole numbers or mixed fractions and whole numbers with decimals here. And then, of course, I'm recommending that you work on Khan Academy. This is a great way to practice all your different skills. And this is going to piggyback on all the learning that we did with decimals and fractions in 5th grade. And it's going to build up to all the pre-algebra skills with ratios and proportions for 6th grade. All right, so we are going to start with our spiral review, kind of warm up. We're going to check a few of the questions we did yesterday, and we're going to do some more for today. So 15 divided by 5, positive divided by positive is a positive. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. Different signs. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Negative divided by a positive is negative. All right, we're going to do a couple down here, and then we'll let you finish the rest on your own. 8 divided by 1, any number divided by 1 is that number. Different signs. Negative. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Different signs. Negative. Last one for today. I'm going to have you do a few on your own, but last one we're going to do together. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Different signs. Negative. All right, so for today, if you can go ahead and do all the way down to number 8. So go ahead and stop your videotape and work all the way down. If you've already been working on these as you go, then you can just go ahead and move on. All right, so yesterday we were working on turning decimals into fractions in simplest terms. And we said that you just have to remember tenths place, hundredths place, and thousandths place. And so if we have one place value, it is 5/10. And we can reduce that to a half. We're going to check one more today. We have 18 hundredths. I know if it ends at 8 and 0, it's even, which means I can cut them both in half. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 100 divided by 2 is 50. All right, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Magic numbers. 9 can't be divided by 2. 50 can't be divided by 3. 5. 9 can't be divided by 5. 7. Neither. All right, can I divide 9 into 50? No. Done. All right, so today we're going to take our same skill, but we're going to be using mixed fractions. So we're going to be using not integers, but a whole number with a fraction. And it's a little bit harder. So again, we're going to get out our guided notes. You can just get out a piece of paper. And we're going to do a couple of examples, and I'm going to let you practice on your own. We're going to do 3 examples. So how about 3.02, 4.008, and 5.5. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is pull out our whole number. So how many wholes do I have? 3. Then we're going to look at our place values. And I know we have, what place value is that one? What place value is this one? All right, 2 hundredths. And I know that I can reduce because we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Oh, not 9, 11 and 13. These are both even, which means I can divide them both by 2, 1/50th. And I know if I ever get to a fraction that has 1 as my numerator, that's as low as it can go. All right? First, I want you to pull out your whole number or integer. 4. Now you're going to look at your place value. So start at the decimal. You're going to say them in your head. You should have said thousandths. We know that both of these numbers are even, which means they're both divisible by, 2. Uh-oh. They're both even, which means they're both divisible by 2. Uh-oh. They're still both even. Can't stop yet. Cut 200 in half, 100. Cut 50 in half, 25. And I got to a numerator of 1, which means it can't be reduced anymore. All right. Pull out your whole. Find your decimal. Say your place values in your head. Write it as a fraction. See if you can reduce. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so for today, the rest of your lessons, you have 12 problems to work on. I do think you're doing great with this. I know we were kind of working on this before you left. We just weren't going all the way out to the thousands place. So I feel pretty confident. You guys have done a great job. 3 and 5/10, you know how to say these. I just need to see you practicing writing them. And these are all the skills that we're going to need to build up to our really, really tough 6th grade pre-algebra and algebra standards. All right, have a great day. Keep working hard. You guys are doing amazing, and I miss you all.